Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems involving perimeter look intimidating, but you can solve this quickly by breaking the shape into a curve and a straight line segment right now. First, set the curves equal to find where they meet. Solving x squared minus 2x equals 3 gives x equals -1 and 3. These are our integration limits. Boom! The perimeter includes the curve and the straight line. The arc length of y equals x squared minus 2x is the integral of the square root of 1 plus derivative squared. Finally, add the length of the straight line segment at y equals 3. The distance between x equals -1 and 3 is 4, completing our final perimeter expression. Nice! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore area or skip the derivative. Always use arc length and check your bounds.